Do you know when you're back-ish or not really?
Yeah, I'm back in 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yes.
I bet. Just give me that protein bar if you can. Make it at like 25, 30. There's a fucking bird. Rocket just put on Magnum condoms, bare skin. Who the fuck is using that in the house? Actually, yo, we got 20 minutes. I'm not gonna lie. We got 20 minutes and there's a fucking bird. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's actually a bird. Oh my god, it's actually a bird in there. Oh my god, Rocket. There's a little fucking bird in our room right now.
Oh my god, he's going for him too.
Yo, watch out, watch out, yo, watch out for my son. Watch out for my son. Watch out for my son, boy.
Where did he go?
Oh my god, maybe that's Hendrix.
It could be.
Maybe Hendrix came back. Come on, we got 20 minutes, come on. Fuck, we got about 15 minutes max.